Not true. Mandrake's finished. He'll never be confirmed in the federal court. I'll become skull chair.
Who is the
He'll be
hiccups?
exonerated and help me lead the new generation of
You have
skulls
the
in the future.
hiccups.
You know, someone I loved once told me that it's a secret name. You can't be
Get
good.
those feet.
Who's right?
Donna's hiccups.
I helped you.
You know, Alicia said she didn't think that you could get one of those other nipple shields.